Looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want some melody, just let me.
Hey everyone, it's Charlotte. I wanted to share with you a room tour of a Lion King suite over at Art of Animation Resort. We are staying here for one night, and so I wanted to share with you what the rooms look like. And it sleeps a family of 6. So when we first walk in, you're going to look to your right hand side, and this is what you will see. This is the table, so it actually seats 4, but there's a couple things you could bring over. And this is a Murphy bed, so I'll pull that down in just a minute. And then it has cute decor. It has 2 end tables on here. Then that is the living room. We will get to that in a minute. Then this actually comes with 2 bathrooms. So here you have your first little bathroom. It's just a typical sink. It has your towel hooks. It's just your typical tub and shower combination there. But guys, that is so cute. I love that little shower curtain. Alright, so we're going to come into here. This is the living room. It has a little kitchenette set, so it comes with a cute little sink. It has a Cuisinart single coffee, and it does come, guys, with Joffrey's coffee, which is obviously the best type of coffee ever. It comes with a cute little microwave. It has some plates, some extra silverware for you to get ice, little cups. Enough space to where if you're staying in here for a couple days, you will be perfectly fine. It comes with a cute little mini fridge that you can store things in. It has your trash can, your recycling area. This right here is the sofa, and this is a double sleeper sofa. So it pulls out into a double sleeper sofa. We won't need this tonight, but if you have more than, 4 people, this is perfect. It has cute little stools, and guys, this is so cute because it actually has the words to each song. So this one is I Just Can't Wait to Be King, and then this one is Hakuna Matata, super cute. It has your dresser, so if you unpack, you can unpack. We're not unpacking tonight. A big screen TV. Hello everyone. It has a cute little chair. This is our view out the window, so it is just your typical standard view. That over there, that blue building right over there, that is actually the main hub, so that is where you can go access the buses, the landscapes of flavor, the big pool is right there, everything is right there. Right. And then here's kind of like a little tree closet, a drawer with extra pillows and blankets. All right, and then in here, this is a queen bed. This is a queen bed. It's the master bedroom. We have something going on with underneath it, giggles and snorts. So this is Zazu at the front. Look at the cute little flower trees. It has 2 end tables. It has another big screen TV. So if the parents want to sleep in here and then have the kids out on in the other room, it is perfect. Again, you can unpack and pack. We're not going to do that today. It does come with a safe, in-wall safe. It has your iron and ironing board, a little luggage rack. It has your telephone. It does have areas where you can go ahead and you can charge up your devices. And then this is kind of like the master bathroom. So you can come right in. It's actually attached to the same bedroom as the master bedroom. So this is the shower. It's just a walk-in shower. Again, it has the same theming. It has, of course, all of the shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which smells amazing. And so it's just your typical shower. I mean, it's nothing new. And then again, you have your bathroom. You have this. You have your full-length mirror. Hello, everybody. So it's just your typical room to use. There is plenty of space up underneath the bed. Of course, I have a child, I think, under there. And you can't really see. All right, so this is how you actually bring it down. So you just kind of move the chairs away. And you just pull it down. And there is a double size bed, and I'm pretty certain that is where my child will be sleeping tonight. So there is that, and then here's the double size sleeper sofa. So again, it will sleep a total of 6 people. If you do have an infant, you can ask or request for a play crib, and if there's any available, they will be able to do that. So this is the whole room. I hope that you guys enjoy this.
Looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to the bottom when I kiss her. If you want